Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be washing my hair. It's been almost 2 weeks. I've been covering this for a while because it's so, and you guys know this is Harmattan season. You guys see how my hair is looking like. This hair needs some TLC. So what I want to do first of all is to go and rinse my hair with some warm water so as to loosen up my cuticles and just let everything open up for this prepoo that I'm about to do. So I'm going to prepoo my hair before I shampoo my hair. So guys, I'm back, and all I did was just to rinse my hair with warm water, and that's all, no manipulation or anything. And I wrap my hair up with this microfiber towel to soak out all the excess water so I can go ahead and prepoo my hair. So that's it. This towel, this microfiber towel, is actually very good because it just soaks up all the water right away. And yeah, so I can now prepoo my hair. So first of all, I'm going to start by detangling my hair. So guys, please bear with me if my voice is sounding a little bit low. I'm a little under the weather, so my voice is kind of cracky a bit today. So if you have been watching me for a while, you know that I always finger detangle my hair. I don't use a comb, I only finger detangle. And if at all you must use a comb or a brush, please, it's very advisable for you to go in with your fingers first. You know, try and separate the matted hair from its roots with your hand, because if you just decide to use a comb directly, you're going to break your hair. As it is, if you keep your hair for maybe more than a week or 2 weeks, the roots are going to be matted. The roots are going to be sort of thicker than the rest of your hair, because like I said, your hair is always growing. Our hair is always growing. So the place where you might have difficulty detangling is always at the roots of your hair, because that is where you have new growth. So you want to make sure that you are using your fingers to, you know, separate each strands from the roots first of all, before using any comb or brush at all. As you can see, that's what I'm doing. Going to be sectioning my hair in bigger sections, so I'm trying to combine like 2 or 3 twists together to form a bigger, you know, twist. So after finger detangling, I'm going to twist it back up, and that is what I'm going to be doing to other sections. So dividing your hair into sections is very, very important. Then you're going to be deciding on which oil treatment you want to use. So depending on what you're looking for, what I'm using here is my moringa oil. I already have a video on how I make my moringa oil. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So if you're looking to infuse moisture back into your hair, you might want to try oils like olive oil, castor oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. A lot of people have been complaining about coconut oil. So some people feel that coconut oil dries their hair out. So depending on your choice, there are still other people who prefer to use coconut oil, like they love coconut oil. So I am not a fan of coconut oil. I've tried it before, it didn't just work out for me, so I decided to stick with olive oil, and it has been good for my hair. So I just like to infuse them with my Ayurvedic herbs. So it's either I'm using a moringa oil this week, or I'm using a clove oil, or I'm using a fenugreek oil. So I just tend to, mix it up a bit with the different Ayurvedic herbs. So just do what works for you. Whatever you feel your hair is comfortable with, you can do that. The most important thing is to make sure that you're coating every strand of your hair with the oil, and also you want to make sure that you warm the oil a little bit, so that it's hot as you're applying it to your hair, so that you can open up the cuticles of your hair. So as you can see, I'm applying this oil at the ends of my hair, guys. The ends of our hair, I always say, are the oldest part of our hair. So whatever it is you're giving your hair, you want to focus more on the ends. So I'm going to coat my hair with this oil and cover it up for at least 30 minutes. And guys, in my previous video I shared with you guys the steaming cap I got, so I'm going to be using it in today's video to prepoo my hair. So I want to see how much time I'm going to use in steaming my hair with this steaming cap. So usually I use a plastic bag and I leave it on for an hour, 2 hours. I go longer than that. Sometimes I do an overnight prepoo treatment, but I want to see how long I'm going to use this steaming cap. How long I'm going to sit on the steaming cap. So I'm kind of doing a little bit of a massage to get the oil into my scalp and every area of my hair, my edges, the nape of my hair, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to just go ahead now and cover my hair. So first I will use a plastic bag also before I put the steaming cap. That's just to make sure that the oil does not melt and stain my cap and all that. So I'm still going to use a plastic bag. So this is the steaming cap. I'm just going to put it on, and I kind of alternate between the high and the low setting on the steamer. So I like to use the highest setting, but when I feel it's a little bit too high, I reduce it to the low setting. So just see how I do this, and yeah, I'll come back and let you guys know how many minutes I took it took me to steam my hair with this steaming cap. I'm just plugging it into my socket, and I'm going to leave this on. I think I'll just leave it on for at least 30 minutes. I don't know. I'll come back and let you guys know how long I left this in for. So as you can see, the heat is real, guys. It's real. Like, it's really steamed my hair. As you can see, water is dripping from my hair. So I'm just going to show you guys how my hair looks. So the first thing I felt was I didn't feel the oils that I used on my hair. It felt like everything just soaked right into my hair, like there was no oil anymore. This steaming cap kind of, as if my hair ate up all the oils that I applied. So, I think it did the job. It did the job. So I'll just rinse my hair and go ahead to wash my hair. So this is the breakage and hair shedding I got from this prepoo session, as you can see. So thank you guys for watching. That's all for today's video. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, Please click on that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you learned a thing or two, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.